or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I am doing one base outfit 9 different ways. I see these videos all the time on TikTok and Instagram, but I never really see them on YouTube, and I think they're really fun because I typically always have a very casual base on. Jeans and a tee is going to be my base outfit for this, and then we're going to do the power of accessorizing, adding layers and all that. It's so easy to do for fall, specifically fall and winter, but I kind of wanted to share with you my mindset behind it. I just really kind of wanted to show you the process of layering your clothes and styling them to completely change the look of what you're going for. So yeah, let's start with what I have on as my base. So I have my Levi. These are the 501s in, I want to say it's like Emma Stone, but I'm not 100% sure. I will leave it linked down below as well as on the YouTube shop button if they have it. But I love these, just a good real denim. And I will say for sizing, in terms of when you wash them, they're a real stiff denim, so they loosen as you wear them. So I would say if you're like in between sizes, go with your smaller size and they will kind of like stretch as you wear them. But the first wash is a little tight, but then they kind of like warm up to your body. If you're someone who doesn't wash their jeans all the time, I would recommend that. But next up is just my white tee. This is my trusty dusty. I actually just bought another pack from Amazon. They are the Hanes men's tees, and I get it in a large. What I love about this tee, first of all, I love that I have, okay, there's a couple reasons. First, white tees get dirty so freaking fast and so easy, especially if you're a toddler mom or you're just kind of clumsy like myself. Second, I really enjoy the fit of this tee. It kind of has a drop shoulder because my shoulders aren't as big as, you know, a large man is. It's kind of got that drop tee. It's also like a true white, so it's not like a creamy white or anything like that. It's a very fresh, crisp white. It bleaches very well. I've worn these for a very long time and I love them. I love how they fit just like plain. I love how they're tucked in. I love how they can be layered. They're just good. They are like, the neckline is high enough where a sweater, it still peeks out over a sweater. They're cotton, they layer really well, and I just love them. So that is my base outfit, and we're gonna play around with jackets, shirts, hats, shoes, all that kind of stuff to create. I think I have 9 different outfits in mind. Actually, I haven't really planned them out, so we're just gonna kind of go with it and see how many outfits I can create using this one base and just layering over the top. So let's first start with this like kind of westerny sort of look I was inspired to. Not westerny, but denim on denim kind of look. So first thing I'm going to do is tuck in this wet tee. So it kind of just poofs out a little bit, but I'm going to layer over and do a denim on denim look. So this little denim button up. This one's more true to size, whereas like the other one I have that you'll see styled later is more of like oversized and a bit more like a shacket, if you will. But I wanted to kind of leave the white tee poking out just a little bit, and then I'm going to tuck this baby in and accessorize. Okay, so the denims are slightly different, but not that noticeable, and I actually enjoy that they're kind of different tones and not like a full matching set. Next up, I knew I wanted to do black belt, so let's throw on this little black belt that I love from Target. I saw that Madewell had their belts back in stock where you could like buy them, but then when I went to go purchase it, it was like, but it will be on back order until December. I'm like, no thank you. No thank you. Because I wanted this like studded one, but I got one from NAKD instead, so hopefully that comes in a couple days. Anyway, so black, and I wanted to throw on some boots. You guys know I don't wear boots very often, but when I do, they're these. And these pants actually just look so good with boots because they're just kind of like a straight leg, just perfect. So this is look number 1. A little bit more dressy with the black boots, but still like these are super easy to walk in because they don't have a really large heel. If you've not tried Vivaya boots, you're like seriously missing out, but these are just super cute. So this is the first look, a little bit more like dressy, westerny sort of. I'm loving the black accessories, but this is the first look. Let's move on to the second one. Okay, so for this next one, we're gonna go really casual. I'm going to throw on this new little like fleece jumper that I just picked up from, I think it's from Old Navy's like vintagey line. I don't know, I really enjoyed it. They had a lot of really good colors, but I went with the cream. I love like a pullover fleecy kind of thing like this. It's just easy to throw on. And I actually love pairing t-shirts underneath it. Just a good layered look. I'm gonna kind of leave my tee out a little bit, do like a half tuck kind of thing. And I'm gonna throw on a baseball cap to match the red in the like strings. It's got like a little red detail here. This is such a cute little throw. And then for shoes, classic Taz. Can't go wrong with these. They're just good, comfortable, throw on, easy shoes. They're pretty ugly, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but they're like so comfortable. And I don't know, they just add a little something to an outfit. But anyways, this was number 2. Very comfortable, very casual. Probably like one of my favorite ways, but just easy. So you have jeans and a white tee on and you can just throw on whatever. I think completes the outfit. Let's move on to look number 3. Okay, so for look number 3, I'm gonna throw on a black sweater. I got this one, it's from the Gap, but I got it from Costco. I didn't even know they sold Gap, but the key with this is it's 100% cotton, which I was so blown away by. I did not think it was going to be, and I actually almost stole it, not on purpose, but it was like underneath my purse when Arlo was sitting in the cart because I didn't want it like next to my chicken wings, you know? And then we stopped and ate, and I was like, grabbed my purse and I was like, oh shoot, I didn't pay for this. So I had to go back and humbly be like, sorry. But it's a big, slightly oversized, or very oversized, but it's really not because I got it in a large because I wanted it to be oversized. Yeah, my thought with this is we're gonna throw on some little black flats, a little bit of a cuff. It has the little slit so you can see the white tee a little bit. Just very casual, very easy. It's a good little basic outfit. I feel like the oversized sweater works with the more slimmer jeans than the pointy toe. Cute. So this was look number 3. Let's do a little trench coat moment. So we're gonna do a roundabout tuck. And I'm gonna do my favorite little crop trench moment. So good. I think I'm honestly gonna put on my hat with this look as well. I love this trench. It's so freaking good. Okay, and then a little chocolate brown hat to match the kind of brown in the collar and whatnot. And for this, I'm honestly just gonna throw on clogs. So let's put on my clogs. Okay, so this is the next outfit. Number 4, just very basic, very simple. Let the star be the jacket, but just a good, like if everything just fits really well, it just all comes together perfectly. So cute. Love this. You can even flip it up if you want it to be like the full thing, which I enjoy the look of that too. Cute. Let's move on to the next outfit. Okay, next up, we're gonna keep my clogs on and we're just gonna go really simple with just a cardigan over the top. I think a cardigan with a white tee underneath and jeans is just so classic. So there's a couple different ways. Obviously, you can wear this. You could just wear it plain, basic, whatever, open. But I actually really enjoy the look of it, kind of buttoned up. So first, let's bring down this neckline a little bit. Just very warm, very cozy. You can tuck it or you can just kind of like flip it under. It'll make it look tucked, even though it's not. But I think this is just a good staple. And obviously you take whatever cardigan you want. One of the full button ones would look super cute with this as well, but I like this one. It's just an oatmeal cream cardigan that I've had forever from Old Navy. Next up, let's throw on a button up. I specifically love Oxfords in the like fall, winter. They're a little bit thicker and a little bit more warm. Perfect for layering. And now this, you can obviously style it a bunch of ways. You can button it all the way up if you want, or you can leave it relaxed. I'm gonna leave it relaxed. Also, button up Oxfords have like more weight to them, so they like kind of lay a little bit better, which I really enjoy. And then I'm gonna do a sweater over the shoulder element. You know I love that. This little like gray cable knit one. just warm and cozy. And then I am gonna throw on belts. Belts are an amazing way to kind of change up the entire look of the outfit too, or just make it feel more finished. And this is the 6th outfit. And the 6th way I would wear this basic base. Okay, so for the 7th outfit, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my brown little gazelles, and we're gonna do a little barn coat. A very loose tuck to the shirt to kind of cover the waistline actually. I just picked this up. I was debating if I liked it from Old Navy, but I think I do. So we're gonna remove the tag. So I think she's a winner. I like that this has buttons and it has a zipper, so you could do like a little, just a top one too, and kind of let it flow if you wanted to, or leave it open, zip it, whatever you want to do. But love the barn coat trend this year. But I do really like being able to see the collar on these sort of shirts. So I'm going to throw my hair up. Cute. Good. All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so look number 8. I'm gonna go again with a little denim on denim action. But instead of just like tucking this all in, I'm going to go ahead and layer a coat over the top. Another Old Navy find. If you've not checked out Old Navy's like little Cardigan things, they're so good for the fall and winter. They're not lined, so they're not like insanely warm, which is why I say more for fall. But honestly, now that I live in Dallas again, it can be fall and winter because we don't get that cold. So yeah, just note that if you're not, if you're from a place that gets like a lot of snow, this will not be enough for you in the winter. But if you don't, then you'll probably be fine. For shoes, I actually want to go with some flats. These look adorable with some red flats, but I pulled out these, so let's pop these on. So this is look number 8. We've got the denim on denim with the layer over, and I think that the simple flat add a bit more like slimness to the outfit when it's overall kind of like a bulky fit, but so cute. Last but not least, you cannot go wrong with just a blazer over jeans and a white tee. So I love a fun pattern. Cute. And then I'm gonna swap out my shoes. We're gonna go back with my clogs. If you can't tell, my favorite shoes for the fall are definitely my Boston clogs, like definitely my most worn shoes. And now you could go with a hat with this if you wanted to keep it like more casual, or you could just wear it how it is. So first option, and then let's do a hat, which is also just like a lot more relaxed and probably how I would choose to wear it. And you could always pop a sweater over the top as well for like an extra layered look. With a large tote, this would be perfect. So cute. So that's the last outfit. What did I do? Did I do 9 outfits? I think I did 9. So that is my 9 ways to wear one base, which is jeans and a white tee. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I think they're fun and a little bit just different to kind of like pull out things that I maybe haven't styled in a while, or even just like my basics for every season. It's definitely easier to layer and to do these with more fall winter outfits versus summer outfits. So I think it's fun to kind of remind yourself that you don't need this crazy base. You just need a good base and then fun accessories for fall and winter. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video very, very soon.